Now, yesterday I told you we finished continuous function and we finished a very big chapter, that is continuity and differentiability, and I think about 15 to 16 marks will come in that chapter, a very important chapter. Now we are going to another important chapter where you are going to get 14 marks question, that is application of derivatives. In application of derivatives, the first is, I told you, tangent and normals, second one rate measure, third one approximation, fourth one increasing decreasing function, and fifth one is maximum minimum. These are the things which you have to study in application of derivatives. Now we shall take tangents and normals. I think yesterday I gave you tangents and normals. I also gave you what is slope of tangent. Anyway, right here again what I gave yesterday, slope of tangent. I gave you figure also like this. This is tangent line and this is normal. This is tangent line and tangent and this is normal. This is normal and this is point of contact. This particular thing P we call it as point of contact. Okay, slope of tangent at x1 y. This you have taken down. Yesterday I think you have taken x1 y1 is given by slope of tangent is always m. M is slope dy by dx at x1 comma y1. That particular point of contact. This is tangent and slope of tangent is given by this first one. Second one we take slope of normal. Slope of normal at x1 y1 is slope of normal at x1 y1 is minus 1 by m, that is minus 1 by dy by dx at x1 y1. See here the difference. Here dy by dx at x1 y1 minus 1 by dy. Full cover alitan cover agata notbidi ivre alitan cover agata barutte. Okay, belindu cover agata. Minus 1 by dy by dx at x1 y1. This is slope of normal, and I also gave you equation to tangent line t. Equation to tangent t is given by the line at that particular point. Y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. This is your equation to tangent. Fourth one I also gave equation to normal. Equation to normal also I gave. Equation to normal, it is denoted by n. It is y minus y1. It is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x. This is your equation to normal. Equation to tangent and equation to normal, minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. These are the things yesterday I gave. Slope of tangent, slope of normal, and equation to tangent and equation to normal. What are the questions you can expect in this series? They may ask for 2 mark question, they may ask 2 or 1 mark question, find the slope of the tangent, find the slope of the normal, or they may ask find the slope of the tangent and normal also. And 4 mark question is, 5 mark question or 3 mark question is, find the equation of the tangent for a particular curve at this particular point. Find the equation of the normal to a curve at particular point. These two also they may ask for 3 or 5 mark question. This is 2 mark question. If they ask slope of tangent, slope of normal. Apart from this, one more is there. Fifth one is when tangent is parallel to x-axis. Write down. This you are not taken yesterday. Please take down. When tangent is parallel to x-axis. When tangent is parallel to x-axis, slope is 0. Dy by dx is 0. Dy by dx is 0. Adene when tangent is parallel to y-axis. When tangent is parallel to y-axis, when tangent is parallel to x-axis, slope is 0. When tangent is parallel to y-axis, slope of normal is 0. You should note, slope of normal is 0 or it is Slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx is 0. These are the things you should note. Yesterday we have not done these two. Please take this also. When the tangent is parallel to x-axis, slope is 0. When the tangent is parallel to y-axis, see here, tangent is parallel to x-axis. Adre x-axis idre slope iralla, slope is 0. When tangent is parallel to y-axis, adre that is the slope of normal. Slope of normal is 0. Normal iradillalli slope of normal is 0. These are the 3, 4, 5 things, 6 things you should know. Now let us start solving problems with this. Idella bandirtadalva? Bandide. Take the problem. We will solve first 1 or 2 more questions. 1 or 2 more questions we should take. Take down first one. Find the slope of the tangent. Find the slope. Find the slope of the tangent. Find the slope of the tangent for the curve. For the curve y is equal to. Find the slope of the tangent for the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Okay, find the slope of the tangent at x equal to 1. Whose coordinate is 1 anta kelbodu, athwa they may give you at x equal to 1. This is very important. This is 2 more question. Find the slope of the tangent for the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1 at x equal to 1. This is the question they may ask. Now, what we should do is, y is the curve they have given, differentiate dy by dx you will get, and slope of the tangent is given by the formula dy by dx at that particular point we have to find out. Particular point yavadu andre bari x matra kottidare, x matra substitute ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ you will get the answer. Now consider the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Find the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is dy by dx. So now differentiate this curve. Dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 3 into 2x, 3 is a constant 2x, plus 2 into 1. Or it is 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Understand properly? It is when you are differentiating, you are finding slope. Slope is this. Slope of the tangent, but at that particular point, he is asking slope of the tangent to the curve. At that particular point, you have to find out. Now, dy by dx is equal to differentiate 3x square minus 6x plus 2. But slope of tangent, slope of t is given by the formula dy by dx at that particular point x equal to 2. At x equal to 1. Substitute, it is 3 into x ge 1 hakkoli, 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 2, or it is 3 minus 6 plus 2, 3 plus 2 5 minus, here it is 5 minus 6 minus 1. You should say that slope of tangent is minus 1 is the answer. Slope of tangent is minus 1, that is the answer. Slope of tangent is dy by dx at that particular point. X coordinate kottidare, x equal to 1, you have to substitute madada mele, you should substitute there, and minus 1 is the answer. Slope of the tangent for 2 marks question it is. You can easily pocket 2 marks in this. Slope of tangent is, take the curve, differentiate, then find the differentiation at x equal to 1, and you will get the answer. And slope of the tangent is minus 1. Okay, we take the next problem. Curve you can take down. Find the slope of the tangent for the curve. Find the slope of the tangent for the curve y is equal to x square minus 3x plus 5 at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. Find the slope of the tangent for the curve y is equal to x square minus 3x plus 5 at x equal to 0. Very important question. Take that. Find the differentiation dy by dx. At dy by dx at this particular point you find out at x equal to 0 You get the answer. You take that y is equal to x square minus 3x plus 5. X square, y is equal to x square minus 3x plus 5. Find out the differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. It is dy by dx is equal to, when you differentiate x square, 2x minus 3 into 1, or it is 2x minus 3. This is your slope, but not slope of the tangent at that particular point. It is only slope. Okay, slope you got differentiation 2x minus 3, but slope of tangent is dy by dx at that particular point x equal to 0. X equal to 0 madadre 2 into 0, x ke 0 hakoli minus 3. You write that slope of tangent is minus 3. Very important question, very easy question also. So slope of tangent is minus 3, and this is the answer, and you will get 2 marks for this. Take the curve, differentiate dy by dx, then find dy by dx at that particular point x equal to 0. You get the slope of the tangent. Okay, take the next problem. Suppose you have copied this, we will go to the next problem. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve, or the curve y is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 13x cube plus 12x square minus x minus 1. Find the slope of the tangent for the curve y is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 13x cube plus 12x square minus x minus 1 at x coordinate as 1, ಆ ಥರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ at x equal to 1 ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ whose x coordinate is 1 ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. All the three things are same. At x coordinate as 1, find the slope of the tangent to this particular curve. So now you take this curve, y is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 13x cube plus x coordinate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ x equal to plus 12x square minus x minus 1. Find the differentiation first. Slope of the tangent ಗೆ first find dy by dx ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. dy by dx is 4x cube minus 13 into 3x square. It is x square, x to the power of 4. You can straight away write 39x square ಬರಿಬೋದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, otherwise 13 ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, x square ಮಾಡಿ next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. 12 into 2x, x square differentiation is 2x minus 1, x differentiation minus 1, and that is 0. Now it is dy by dx is equal to 4x cube minus 39x square plus 24x minus 1. Now your slope of tangent is dy by dx at x equal to 1, whose x coordinate is 1 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So slope of tangent is, slope of t is dy by dx at x equal to 1. Is that right? At x equal to 1 ಬರೀರಿ. Now that is nothing but 4 into 1 cube, x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲ 1 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, minus 39 into 1 square plus 24 into 1 minus, or it is 4 minus 39 plus 24 minus 1. 4 into 1, 4, 39 minus 39 plus 24 into 1 minus 1, or it is 24 plus 4, 28 minus 40, or it is minus 2. Minus 12 is slope of tangent. So the right answer, slope of t is, please see any simplification. Have I done any mistakes? Just check. 49 1, 4 into 1, 39 1, 24. We are adding this and this. 28 minus 40, it is 12. Correct? Yes. Minus 12, because minus is more. Minus 12 is the slope of the tangent. Take another problem, slope of tangent. Suppose if they ask slope of tangent and slope of normal, both if they ask, then you have to find out minus 1 by dy by dx at that particular point is slope of normal. Sometimes they may ask slope of tangent as well as slope of normal also. You take this problem. Let us see where both are asked. Find the slope of tangent. Find the slope of the tangent and the normal. Find the slope of the tangent and the normal. Find the slope of the tangent and normal to the curve. Find the slope of the tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 8. 3x square minus 2x plus 8 at x equal to 2. Or you can take whose x coordinate is, yes, you can take whose x coordinate is 2. Whose x coordinate is 2. Yes. Find the slope of the tangent and normal to the curve. Y is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 8, whose x coordinate is 2. That means x coordinate is 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ x is 2. That is another way of doing the problem. It is nothing but x equal to 2. So slope of tangent ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It is dy by dx, and at x equal to find out slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at x equal to 2. You will get both the tangent and normal. Now first one, y is given 3x square minus 2x plus 8 dy by dx ಮಾಡಿ differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is 3 into 2x minus 2 into 1, that is 0. This constant is 0. 3 into 2x minus 2 into 1, that is 6x minus 2. Right? Straight away also you can write 6x minus 2, but you have to find out slope of tangent at x equal to 2. So slope of tangent is dy by dx at this particular point x equal to 2. Y ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. Y sometimes you should take x1 y, very x coordinate ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. It is all right. Now 6 into 2 minus 2, 12 minus 2, it is actually 10. So slope of tangent is 10, 12 minus 2, 10. So you can write slope of t is 10, and but slope of normal also they are asking. Really we should be very careful. Students commit mistake in this. Slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at x equal to 2. We have already found out what is dy by dx at x equal to 2. We should write minus minus 1 by 10 is slope of normal. Very very important question. Slope of tangent and a slope of normal. Slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at x equal to 2 minus 1 by 10. Yes, we shall take another. I suppose you have followed this problem and copy this. We will go to the next problem. Minus 1 by dy by dx at x equal to 2 is the slope of normal or the slope of tangent. I have kept it this one as it is for your reference. Please take these two things. They are not taken. Now you can copy these two things. When it is parallel to x axis ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, parallel to y axis ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, when the tangent is parallel to y, I think I have given in the equation parallel to y axis ಆದರೆ slope of normal is 0. I think I have given that side. Slope of normal is find the slope of tangent and normal. Find the slope of not equation. Equation of tangent ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, but here we are asking slope of tangent. So find the slope of tangent and slope of normal. ಅಥವಾ tangent and normal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ for the curve y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2 at x equal to 10. This is a very important problem given in your textbook I am expecting in March 2021. You may get this problem this year. It is March 2021. Find the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal for the curve y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2 at x equal to 10. What you should do? Take this, differentiate dy by dx ಮಾಡಿ, slope of tangent is dy by dx at x equal to 10, substitute ಮಾಡಿ, you will get the answer. And slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx. dy by dx at x equal to 10 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, minus 1 by that is the slope of normal. Here they have asked two questions, two parts, and this question may carry 3 marks. Actually 1.5 for this. Find the slope of tangent and slope of normal to the curve. Now you take this. Y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2. Yes. Now, this question, y is equal to x minus 1, how to differentiate this? How to find dy by dx? It is an explicit function. You know, you have to adopt quotient rule. What rule you have to adopt? Here it is quotient rule, because this is u, this is v. So now we have to adopt quotient rule. When you differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to v x minus 2 into d by dx of x minus 1, that is 1. Here, be careful. V into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. So v is x minus 2, x minus 2v into d by dx of x minus 1, 1 minus u into x minus 1 into d by dx of x minus 2, 1 by whole square, x minus 2 whole square. So you know, u by v, d by dx of u by v is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. X minus 2 into d by dx of this is 1, this is 0, minus this into d by dx of x minus 2, that is 1, that is 0, by x minus 2 whole square. Or it is dy by dx is equal to x minus 2. Now, it is x minus 2 into 1, x minus 2. Now, multiply this one, this is 1 only, minus x plus 1 by x minus 2 whole square. This is x minus 2 whole square minus x plus 1. Now, it is x gone. It is dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x minus 2 whole square. It is, see, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 by x minus 2 whole square. But you cannot give the answer like this. Slope of tangent is at this particular point you have to consider. So write down slope of tangent P is given by dy by dx at x equal to 10. That is, x get 10 substitute ಮಾಡಿ, minus 1 by 10 minus 2 whole square. Or it is minus 1 by 8 square. It is 8 square minus 1 by 64 is the slope of tangent. And slope of normal is very important. Slope of normal also they have asked, minus 1 by dy by dx at x equal to 10. You have already found out dy by dx at x equal to 10, 64. It is minus 1 by 64, minus cancels, it is 64. So here we should note slope of normal is 64, slope of tangent is minus 1 by 64. Very important problem for examination. They ask such problems where you have to apply quotient. One more also we will take up and do that. So I will rub this. I suppose all of you have followed. We have used here quotient rule, and then slope of tangent is at x equal to 10, and slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at x equal to so much. I will rub this. Slope of tangent, find the slope of t ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ tangent ಗೆ t and n. T and n ಅಂದ್ರೆ don't write like that in examination, you write tangent and normal ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Find the slope of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x minus 3 by x minus 4 at x equal to 2. At x equal to 2, very important thing. Find the slope of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x minus 3 by x minus 4 at x equal to 2. So now you take this curve, differentiate dy by dx differentiation ಮಾಡಿ. Once you differentiate afterwards put x equal to 2, you will get slope of tangent minus 1 by dy by dx, you will get slope of normal. Y is equal to x minus 3 by x minus 4. Now when you differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to x minus 4 b into the product, and you have to, not product, quotient rule, x minus 4 into d by dx of x minus 3, 1 it is, this is 1, that is 0, minus u into x minus 3 into d by dx of x minus 4, 1 by x minus 4 whole square. X minus 4 into d by dx of x minus 3, 1 minus x minus 3 into 1 by x minus 4 whole square. Now multiply x minus 4 minus x plus 3. Here when you are multiplying here minus x plus 3 by x minus 4 whole square, that is xx gone minus 7 by x minus 4 whole square. This is your dy by dx. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ slope of t is dy by dx at that particular point x equal to 2. You have to find out at x equal to 2, you should find out. Now it is slope of tangent is dy by dx at x equal to 2. Yes. Now dy by dx at x equal to 2 you substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, that is you have to substitute dy by dx at x equal to 2 minus 7 by, so minus 7 by x ಗೆ you have to substitute 2 at x equal to 2, 2 minus 4 whole square, that is minus 7. One thing here you have not noticed, minus x plus 3, minus 4 plus 3 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದರೆ it is minus 1. Please be careful, it is not 7. I put 7 and you are also writing 7. Minus 4 plus 3, it is minus 1, it is minus 1 by 2 minus 4 whole square, that is minus 1 by minus 2 whole square, or it is minus 1 by 4. This is slope of tangent. Okay, slope of normal is, I told you how to find out. Slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at that particular point x equal to 2, that is minus 1 by minus 1 by 4, which I have already found out this one, and answer is 4. Slope of normal is 4 and slope of tangent, slope of normal is 4, slope of tangent is minus 1 by 4. Very important problem for examination. Okay. Then we shall end up this. We take this problem. Find the slope of tangent and slope of normal for the curve x equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t at t is equal to pi by 4. This is very important. Very important for examination. Please take down. Find the slope of tangent and slope of normal for the curve x equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t at t is equal to pi by 4. For the curve x equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t at t is equal to pi by 4. What you should do? Take this. What function it is? It is parametric function. Both are expressed in terms of third parameter t. You know how to differentiate this. dx by dt ಮಾಡಿ, dy by dt ಮಾಡಿ, then dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by dt. ಆಮೇಲೆ t is equal to pi by 4 substitute ಮಾಡಿ, you will get slope of tangent. Slope of normal ಗೆ you know how to do that. Slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx. That is slope of normal. Now you take this is an important problem because it's a parametric function. You should understand it is parametric function. It is parametric function. So you take x equal to cos t, differentiate with as t is the parameter, dx by dt is minus sin t. Here x is equal to cos t and dx by dt is minus sin t. Y is equal to sin t. When you differentiate this, dy by dt is equal to cos t. When you differentiating this, dx by dt is minus sin t and dy by dt is sin t differentiation cos t. Now it is dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now we are differentiating dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt, or a parametric function, that is cos t by minus sin t, or it is minus tan cot t. It is minus cot t, dx by dt dy by dt we have found out, and it is minus cot t, but at t is equal to pi by 4 in bantado dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4 is, you have to substitute minus cot pi by t pi by 4, cot 45 minus 1 is the answer. Cot 45 minus 1. Now it is slope of tangent is same thing. Slope of tangent is dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4, which I have already found out. At t is equal to pi by 4 minus 1, and slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4, or it is minus 1 by, see this is minus 1 by minus 1, or it is 1. Y is equal to b sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. Very important question for examination. Important question for examination. Find the slope of tangent and slope of normal to the curve x equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. Now it's a parametric function. Differentiate x with respect to theta, y with respect to theta, then you take dy by dx is dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Now you take x equal to a cos cube theta, differentiate with respect to theta, dx by d theta is the parameter. You should note here not t, theta is the parameter. Dx by d theta is a is a constant. We have already done parametric function. Cos cube theta, 3 cos square theta into differential coefficient of cos theta, that is minus. Understand here carefully. A into 3 cos square theta p cube, 3p square into d by dx of cos theta minus sin theta, or it is minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. This is the dx by d theta. Understood? A into 3 cos square theta into differential coefficient of cos theta minus sin theta, and this is your dx by d theta. Take this, y is equal to b sin cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube theta, dy by d theta, theta is the parameter, is equal to b into 3, when you are differentiating chain rule, sin cube theta, 3 sin square theta into dy by d theta of sin theta, it is cos theta. Or it is 3b sin square theta cos theta. Okay. Now it is dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. That is 3b sin square theta into cos theta divided by 3b sin square theta by this thing, by minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. You know differentiation of parametric function, dy by d theta by dx by d theta, that is 3b sin square theta cos theta by minus 3a cos square theta. 3 can be cancelled, and 1 sin theta can be cancelled, and 1 cos theta can be cancelled. That is minus dy by dx is minus b by a sin theta. 1 sin theta is a sin theta by cos theta minus b by a tan theta. It is See here sin theta gone, sin theta minus b by a, cos theta gone, it is cos theta minus b by a tan theta. Now you should write, but find out dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4 controlling, at pi by 4 is minus b by a tan pi by 4, or it is minus b by a into theta at pi by 4 by 1 by tan 45 is minus b by a. This is your slope of tangent. So slope of tangent is, slope of t is dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4, that is nothing but minus b by a, and slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4, that is minus 1 by minus b by a, or it is a by b is the answer. So please understand, slope of normal is a by b and slope of tangent is minus b by a. This is a very important problem. You may get it this x equal to a cos cube theta dx by d theta ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, dy by d theta ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, then dy by dx is dy by d theta by dx by d theta minus b by a tan theta, and at theta is equal to pi by 4 minus b by a tan pi by 4 minus b by a into 1 minus b by a, and this is your slope of tangent. Normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at that particular point, minus 1 by minus b by a, it is a by b is the answer. We take one more problem of this slope of tangent and slope of normal, then we will go to equations of tangent and normal. Okay. Now we take one more problem. Find the slope of the tangent and normal. I suppose you have copied this. Find the slope of tangent and slope of normal for the curve, right here, for the curve x equal to a into 1 minus cos t, a into 1 minus cos t, and y is equal to a into a into a sin t. You take this a sin t, a into 1 minus cos t, a into sin t at x equal to pi by 4. You take that, sorry, at t is equal to pi by, take this problem. Find the slope of the tangent and normal for the curve x equal to a into 1 minus cos t and y is equal to a sin t at t is equal to pi by 4. Same thing, first you take x equal to a into 1 minus cos t, differentiation ಮಾಡಿ dx, t is a parameter, it is a parametric function, dx by dt ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, when you differentiate dx by dt, it is a constant into 1 is 0, 1 is 0, minus cos t is differentiation, minus, already minus is there, another minus sin t. You should be very careful in this, because a into this is 0, minus is already there, cos t minus sin t, or it is a sin t. This is your dx by dt, it is a sin t. Now you take this y is equal to a sin t, y is equal to a sin t. When you differentiate this dy by dt, when you differentiate with respect to t, dy by dt is a into sin t differentiation is cos t. When you differentiate sin t, it is cos t, or it is dy by dx is equal to dy by dt, you know this parametric function, by dx by dt, that is a cos t divided by, here it is a sin t, a cos t here it is, and it is a sin t, a hoitu, now cos t by sin t, it is cot t. but you want dy by dx at t is equal to 5 by 4 that is cot pi by 4, it is 1. Now slope of tangent is dy by dx at t is equal to 5 by 4, that is 1, and slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at t is equal to 5 by 4, that is 1 by minus 1. See, this is minus 1, already minus 1, and this is 1, or it is minus 1. So please note, slope of tangent here we have differentiated a into this is 0, minus of minus sin t, a sin t, and this is a cos t. It will be a cancelled cot t. Very important sum for examination. dy by dx t equal to by ಅಥವಾ slope of tangent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1, it is 1, and slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at t is equal to 5 by 4, that is minus 1 by 1, and this is the answer. So these are all 2 marks, sometimes 3 marks, 1 mark question what we have done. Now let us go for actual 3 marks or 5 marks question. This is about finding slope of tangent and slope of normal. Minus y1 also 1, minus 1 by dy by dx, already you have found out 3 into x minus 1 here, x minus x1, cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 3 by minus 3, here it is, when you are multiplying with the 3 by minus 3 is equal to minus x plus, multiplying here 3 by minus 3 is equal to minus x plus 1, shift this side, x plus x plus 3y minus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Our answer is, normal answer is x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is your equation to normal equation. Both you should put it in a box. Equation to tangent is this, and equation to normal is x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to c. Understood? I will explain again. Y is equal to x cube, find dy by dx, and at that particular point x1 y1 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು x, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ x ಮಾತ್ರ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ x1 you have substituted. Then formula is there. This is the formula for tangent, equation of tangent, y minus y1 into dy by dx at x minus y1. x1 y1 is 1 1. You are substituting there 1 1, and y minus 1 is equal to so much, 3 into so much. You have to bring it in this form and keep it, ax plus by plus c ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. And equation to normal also, y minus y1 minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. That is x1 here minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1, and you will get the answer. This is very important. Now what I will do is, I will give you few problems for practice. Please do it and put it to me in the WhatsApp. Okay? Yes. Yes. Take the problems here. Few problems to practice. First one, find the slope of tangent and normal. Slope. Find the slope of tangent and normal to the following curves. First you take the curve. Find the slope of the tangent, t and tangent to normal, n andre slope to the following curves at the specified points. Alle kottirtare at the specified points given below. Okay, first one. For the curve y is equal to 3x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 5 at x equal to 0. So find the slope of tangent and normal for the curve y is equal to 3x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 5 at x equal to 0. Second problem, y is equal to 4x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube. So y is equal to 4x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube at x equal to. Third one, for the curve y is equal to x minus 5 by x minus 6 at x equal to 1, at x equal to 3, at x equal to 3. For the curve y is equal to x minus 5, x minus 6 at x equal to 3. Fourth one, we will take find the slope of the tangent in the normal for the curve y is equal to yes, a secant theta, y is equal to a secant theta, y is equal to x equal to a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. That is this. These problems you try, and these sums tomorrow we shall take up. Next one we shall take up the another equation of tangent and normals problem. Only one I had done, that's why I have not given on this. Those things I have given, and please do well, practice well, practice well, practice well. Copy these problems. Thank you.